Hi everyone. Today I found my SIM card. I not use maybe more than 1 year, and SIM card don't have already don't have balance. I try to add money but impossible, and I won't go to a smart and ask what I can do. I think some of people know this situation already. If you not load SIM card we cannot use already in the Philippines. But I want now ask in the SM Clark Smart Store. Maybe they can help me, because I have physical SIM card. Maybe they can help, and I can show to you. Today again very hot. Today 41 degree in the Philippines, in Angeles, and school closed. All school closed today because very hot. You know, in the Philippines don't have aircon in the school, so it's not easy to sit in the classroom. That's why many people may be in SM. So I go to Smart Store. This is SM Clark. SM Clark open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. This is this bus station. You can take bus to the San Fernando also. San Fernando, SM Pampanga. These buses, you can see, Angeles, San Fernando. Good afternoon.
You might be interested.
Ah.
We're selling lots in Cora.
Selling lot?
Yes, sir.
How much about? How many? 1 square meter, why?
35,000, sir, per square meter.
35. Oh, you have contact? Yes.
Lots, sir. Located in Porac, Pampanga.
In Porac.
Porac, yes.
Porac. Okay, I will check. Do you have name card? Or this one address?
Yes, sir. My name is Jason Ganya, sir. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson, sir. Here's my number, sir.
We can see link Google Maps have in this address or don't have? Google Maps.
Google Maps, sir. You can search, sir, Bersala Albero.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will.
Then you can choose what's your preferred size.
Okay,
Can I get some information, sir?
Okay, no problem. I get this one, maybe someone interesting. Many children, because today they not go to the school, and today Friday. 3 days holiday for children maybe. Smart office inside Cyber Zone. This is Cyber Zone. Samsung. Yes, inside. This is Smart. LDT also. You can upgrade SIM card to eSIM. Yes, it's plans. Guys, I already been in a Smart Store in SM City Clark, and they explained to me, if you use SIM card, if you not use SIM card more than 1 year and don't have balance, after 60 days with SIM card deactivated. You need to just load. Even you now not in the Philippines, but you need only load. So hard today, really hard. You need to load even 10 peso. 10 peso it's enough for 1 year. So you can only load money to your SIM card. You can see so many motors. Very hard. I cannot use car right now because in our place one person died and our road is blocked, so cannot use car. I can use only motor. But motor is okay also. And I will go to buy medicine for Shira, because Shira even now have fever, 38.5 fever, and doctor already give to her antibiotic. She drink first day antibiotic, second day, yesterday evening she already start use antibiotic, and but she's still not good now, always in the bed. And doctor said need only paracetamol, antibiotic only. That's why I hope maybe after 3-4 days she will better. I hope. But she start to eat already. Yesterday I cook soup for her, and already she can eat. Because before 3 days she not eat, because always vomiting, even drink water, she vomiting. But now she already a little bit better because she start eat now. I said to her only soup and water, no more. Because before I go to SM, she said, can you buy to me McFlora? I said, Shira, just forgot about McFlora until you recover. That's why I said no. If you want fruits, have soup, vegetable, salad, but not street foods, not fry, not spicy. And today evening I will go to meet with Georgi to walking street. We can drink coffee. She also asking maybe I go with you. I said, how if you have so high fever, how you go? But she won't, but she know she cannot. Okay guys, thank you for watching.